welcome to another episode of the Cat Show.
Bad kitty, bad. No. Oh, no. Kitty. No. They sit this way. Here you are. Where are you going? Where are you going? Oh, gotcha. Are you gonna get it? Oh, are you gonna get it? Are you gonna get it? Oh, no. No. Are you gonna get it? But it's this way. Oh, no, but it's this way. You're going the wrong way. Kitty. Going the wrong way. Why are you going the wrong way? Oh, you're getting smart. Oh, are you getting smart? Are you in? Oh, yeah. Here you go. Eat it. Ow! No! The dancing cat. Ow! It's a dancing cat, but it hurt. No. No. I said no. No. I said no. Good. Sit. No. I said. Nala. Get your fingers. Come get your fingers. You want them? No, you do, Nala. Lucky, there's fingers in the box. You gonna come get them? There's gonna be a hand in the box, too. Oh, real nice. Now we gotta take that back for her to get in there. You wanna come get it? Come on, Nala. Come on. Are you gonna get it? Come on, kitty. Come on, you know you want it. You want the hand. Get it! Oh, come get it. Oh, hey, kitty. Get back in. Get it. Ready? Hey, kitty. Good kitty. Good kitty. No. No, you're hurting me. Fine, we're gonna do something else. Oh my God, heavy. God, cat. Heavier than a dog. Hi. You're so cute. Where'd you go? Where are you going? Where did the kitty go? Did the kitty see herself? Yep. The kitty. He's coughing you. She's like, I'm done.